Does it make a difference if you pick in the morning or in the evening?
Yes, it does. But whatever time in which you have available, that's when you should harvest it. Now, if you're going to harvest lettuce in the morning and put it inside and go to work and then come back and eat it,
you're going to have sad lettuce.
Even if you store it properly in the fridge, or radishes, they'll shrivel up in like a couple hours. I don't know what they do to the store ones to make them crisp all the time. But you want to utilize there is goods and bads for this. Okay, so morning harvest, they're going to be full of water, they're going to be hydrated, versus the afternoon, which they could be wilted. Sweetness value, they're going to be sweeter in the morning versus less crisp in the afternoon. This is just any vegetable or leafy green. Okay, storage life. It is said that they are longer shelf life in the morning if you harvest it versus in the afternoon. And your plant stress, obviously in the morning, they're less stressed because they've relaxed overnight versus waiting to the afternoon where it's been hot and they've kind of been stressed or they're not getting hydrated, that type of thing. But again, if you can harvest it in the morning and you're going to eat it or take it to work, that's fine. If it's best. If you leave it attached to the plant, there's a better opportunity that is going to be better whenever you harvest it, regardless of when it is. And when you harvest your tomato, your pepper, your eggplant, your lettuce, whatever it is, zucchini, cucumber, harvest it correctly. Take snips out and cut it. Don't just yank it off the plant, because you can potentially damage the plant. You can yank the limb and rip we've all done that. You've ripped a tomato off and you've taken half of the limb with it, and now you got a damaged plant that could have been producing additional fruits that is now not doing such.